Hey everybody, you're at Drew's Garage. I just want to cover this again. I covered it with a beautiful Lexus LS 430 some time ago, and I just want to cover it now again. This topic is so beat to death and so over marketed and so profitable in this country with materials that don't work and results that just aren't true, or promises of results that aren't true. I just want to go over it again. So, you've got a headlight that looks like this. This is basically just worn from the sun, worn from road debris. This is going to happen to every single headlight out there unless you park the car in the garage when it's sunny out and only drive it at night. My wife has a 1992 Crown Majesta with 36,000 miles on it, imported from Japan, and it's spent all of its life in a garage, and they're pretty darn good. They don't look brand new, but they don't look like this. So I'm going to show you what I do. There's kits out there. You could pay people $50, $100 to do this. There's kits that are 10 bucks, 20, 100, whatever. Here's the truth. You might be able to buff this out and put some kind of UV protectant paint on it and make it better for later, but the truth is when that paint breaks down, now you've got another problem. Now you need to sand past it and do it again. This is a dual action polisher from Harbor Freight. I think I paid like maybe 70 bucks for it. This pad, this is a green pad. They're color coded for their abrasiveness. This is like a medium. This is like 10 bucks. And this is a $30 bottle of Pro Speed compound, or Ultra Cut compound will work as well. So here again is the truth about headlights. They're going to do this. This is just the result of a plastic headlight being out in the elements. This is obviously a little bit more than one of those kits I mentioned. You're looking at maybe 100, 110, 120 bucks. But this, literally what's in my hands, will outlast every car you buy for the rest of your life. You might need to buy a new pad, you might need to buy a new compound, but still, your lifetime cost, even if you're 20 years old, might only be, $300 versus the thousands you'll spend on headlights and services if you do it another way. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna put some of this on the pad, right here. I didn't even bring a rag to buff it. If I need, I'll use, or to wipe it off, I'll use my t-shirt if I have to. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna take it, and you're gonna turn it on, and you're just gonna go around in a pattern, side to side, up and down. You're gonna go around, you're gonna see it coat the headlight, and then you're gonna see it start to come off, and you're gonna see a clear headlight. So watch. This is a little bit faded as well in color, the inside, as well as it was dingy. And I'm just gonna take my shirt, see here, scratch the bumper in the process. But look at the difference. That is a crystal clear headlight. Yes, it's still discolored. Again, that's all the way through the plastic and it's in the chrome. But those are two clear headlights, and I don't know, you look at the timestamp on that. That was well under 30 seconds, and it was very, very inexpensive. So once you've bought the polisher and the pad, I mean, come on, I've had probably maybe 250 cars I buffed the headlights with, and I only went through maybe half of one of these, so that should give you an idea. So anyways, just to recap, the truth on headlights is there is no permanent fix other than new headlights, which are crappy quality compared to the original, or keeping the car out of the sun, which is impractical. The truth about headlights is they're all gonna turn yellow, and every single one of them, for the most part, can be buffed back to more than acceptable for pennies once you make that initial investment. Obviously, I have no interest in Harbor Freight or Meguiar's, whose products I used. I don't have enough stock in them, or any stock in them actually, but even if I did, it wouldn't be enough to rake in the money from telling you guys this. This is just as a dealership owner, and for the most part operator, this is what I do. Now let's take a look at my own car. This is my summer beater, my 2002, I think it is. Yeah, 2002 Solera convertible. These headlights are, I could buff these all day, and they're gonna get clearer, but they're never going to be not yellow. And just like this Prius, they've yellowed. That is what it is. I don't believe there's a cure for that. If you found one, reach out in the comments, because it's all the way through the entire thickness of the plastic and in the chrome itself. But these are clear. You're going to see at night with these compared to how they were before. The other sad truth that you need to know is this is going to recur if you park outside. This is going to recur about every 3 months. You're going to have to do it again. It'll be years before you make the plastic too thin that you have to worry about it. Probably much past the life of the vehicle. You're gonna have to do this again and again. I mean, if it's some car that you park in the garage and you only take the car shows or whatever, you might only have to do this every couple years, but it's gonna happen again. So anyways, I'm Drew, you're at my garage. I hope this was helpful. There's a lot of people out there that this topic frustrates. So if you disagree, hey, you don't have to like the video. Still hope you subscribe. We do a lot with Priuses and, you know, Toyotas and old cars and stuff like that. I still hope you subscribe. You don't have to like the video. Please no nastiness or hate in the comments, or it's just gonna get deleted anyways. I realize this is a controversial topic, but I've seen too many people recommend expensive products and things that'll actually damage the car in the long run when all you need to do is buff them and it takes less than 30 seconds. So again, I hope it's helpful. If it is, go ahead and like it. Again, if it's not, don't do anything. And please subscribe. God bless.